In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track materials in CostMiner. First, let's start by opening your web browser and heading over to the CostMiner platform. This is your go-to destination for all your construction, estimating, and takeoff needs. On the homepage, you will see the option to log in. Go ahead and click on the Login to CostMiner button. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to your project dashboard. This is where you'll manage all your ongoing projects. Click on the project you need to work on today. Remember, accurate material tracking starts with precise takeoffs. After you've selected your project, look for the Import Plan option. This is where you'll attach your project drawings. You can import various file types such as DWG or PDF depending on what works best for you. Now once your plan is imported, you'll see an Add button. Click on that to start configuring your estimation tools. Set the drawing scale by selecting the ruler icon. This part is crucial because it ensures your measurements are as accurate as they can be. Essentially, you can draw lines to trace specific areas of your project. This allows you to precisely measure elements for costing. Next, click on a sample measurement. This is your opportunity to set the baseline for measuring various aspects of the project. Proceed to click on the other endpoints accurately. After selecting the ends, type in the actual measurement you've got for the project area or component. Once that's done, make sure to hit Apply to confirm the setting. Now comes an exciting part. Click on the Trace Area tab. This is where the magic happens. On your item list, ensure that the type is set to materials. This ensures your focus is on tracking the materials precisely. To get the area measurement, you need to click on the corners of the room you wish to measure. Simply follow along the edges and mark each corner by clicking on it. Once you've completed marking, the room's area is calculated for you. Continue to click on corners as needed if there are multiple segments or rooms to measure. You'll find that the measurements should start appearing in your item estimates section. This is where you can make any necessary adjustments. Edit the units, adjust the quantity, and update the rates to reflect your project's needs. And there you have it. Now you're equipped with the knowledge to accurately track materials using CostMiner, ensuring that your projects stay on budget and on track. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check out our other tutorials for more CostMiner tips and tricks.